There are three energy systems. They are the alactic acid system, the glycolytic system, and the aerobic system. The alactic and glycolytic system both operate anaerobically, which means that they are capable of operating without the presence of oxygen. The aerobic system operates aerobically, which means it operates with the presence and consumption of oxygen. Both the glycolytic and the aerobic system require some sort of substrate. Beginning with the two anaerobic energy systems, we have the alactic acid system. The alactic acid system is so called because it fails to produce lactic acid as a byproduct like the other anaerobic system does. It uses the adenylyl triphosphate present in the muscles and then begins to synthesize additional adenylyl triphosphate using adenylyl diphosphate and a phospholipid called PI that's present in the cell in the form of creatine phosphate. Sound familiar? The glycolytic energy system is an anaerobic energy system that makes adenylyl triphosphate available for muscle contraction and other purposes using glucose and glycogen as a substrate. The anaerobic system can provide energy for very intense workouts for extended periods of time. However, the lactic acid and hydrogen ions are released as a byproduct and eventually produce an acidic state that prevents performance. The anaerobic system enables us to produce energy greater than our ability to consume oxygen. This produces an oxygen debt, and it's got to be repaid by increased oxygen consumption, at least when the work is completed. This system becomes evolved in high work intensities once the alactic energy system has become depleted. This is usually about 7 seconds. These two anaerobic systems combined can fuel high intensity work for up to 90 seconds in duration. The aerobic energy system makes ATP available for the muscle contraction and other purposes using fat and or glucose and glycogen as a substrate. The aerobic system uses oxygen while producing this ATP, and the aerobic system is very efficient at producing energy, but it can't keep up with the ATP demands, adenylyl triphosphate demands, when the body is operating at a really high intensity. So increasing exercise intensity beyond whatever that threshold may be for you will automatically activate the previous two anaerobic systems.